Hi submarine friends, welcome back to watching me build a diesel electric submarine. So I've been working on the steering system for those of you who have not been following along. And so I've decided to go with a tiller and cables, and that's worked out really well, except for the fact that I tried to just use two straight linkages. So two pitman arms, but that didn't work out because when the pitman arm travels from side to side, the length of the cable changes in relation to the pulleys. So what I did is I took a 12-inch cast pulley and I cut it in half, and I mounted the cast pulley to the pivot. So now the cable, the length doesn't change at all because it's riding in the groove of the pulley. So it's working really well. I'm quite pleased with it. It's not finished. What I have to do now, I have to either drill the holes bigger where the cable goes through, or put bushings in there so the cable doesn't ride on the steel. It's really difficult to figure out a precise line for the cable to go through. So anyways, this cable here has some deflection in it, which is okay, but it rubs and eventually it's going to wreck the cable. So I need to deal with that. I either need to drill a new hole, make the hole oval, whatever, but I gotta figure it out. I think I like the idea of just putting some sleeves in. I can just take some plastic and I can machine some plugs with a hole in it that just push in. I mean, that should work fine. I don't think there's much drag or load or anything. It seems quite smooth. I still have to bolt these pulleys tight. I actually need to weld. I hate to do that because once I weld those bolts to these brackets, they're permanent and I can't remove the pulley. I'm not Michael Jackson. I cut my hand, so I got a big band-aid on it and a glove to hold the band-aid tight. It should have some stitches probably, but I'm not really a big on stitches guy, so I'll just keep her nice and tight. Anyways, so I'm pretty happy with it. Works pretty darn smooth. And this one is not as good looking as the front one. The front one looks quite nice, but this is the mechanical room, so who really cares? And I can trim this pulley shorter. Right now I could take 2 inches off each end of the pulley if I wanted to, but I won't do that unless I have to take the pulley off for some other reason. Then I'll just chop them off. But yeah, it works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's so simple. That's what I like. So there's nothing electrical to fail, nothing hydraulic to fail, no hoses to fail. If a cable fails, who cares? I can carry 20 feet of cable in the sub and just thread a new cable in and clamp it. I mean, it's a piece of cake. So I'm pretty darn happy with it. Anyways, that's all I've got to say for today. Ciao.